Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a channel in Telegram. So let's get started. You can do it either on PC or on mobile. It doesn't matter what device you are using. So let's get started. First of all, you need to click options here and click new channel. Here you need to write a name of this new channel. Let's write, for example, my channel name, Lolo Cringe. Okay, and here you can write a description, but it is optional. You don't need to do it. Well, let's add an avatar. You can click on avatar and add some file. Let's just set a random file here and click create. Here you need to decide whether you want your channel to be public, so anyone can find the channel in search, or you want your channel to be private, so only people with an invite link can join your channel. If you want to create a public channel, you also need to make up a URL for it. So let's type something like Lolo Cringe, and yeah, we click save. Here we can add members, so it's basically sending an invite link to your friends, to your contacts, but you can also skip it, so we can just skip, and yeah, the channel is created. Now you can share the link, and that's basically it, guys. If you want no, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.